When you finish this video, you're going to know all the sounds of English and you're going to be able to read this. Stay tuned. This is Celta English with me, Frank. There are 44 sounds in the English language. 12 of them are monothongs, 8 of them are diphthongs, and 24 of them are consonants. So we're going to go through the list, give examples, and then we're going to practice reading the transcript so you can understand not just the sounds, but how to read the phonetic transcription. Sound exciting? Well, it sure is. Let's start with monothongs. So there are 12 of these, and basically these are vowel sounds with one syllable. So one vowel, one syllable. The first one, E. E. Beat. Need. Eat. Team. E. E. The second one, I. I. Thin. Sit. Rich. I. Put, look, should, put, ooh, food, boot, lose, ooh, bed, friend, went, bed, friend, went, alive, today, runner, that's a weak sound. Schwa. Third. Turn. Worse. It's a turn for the worse. Or. Talk. Walk. Law. Port. Or. Cat. Sat. On the mat. Hand, fan, fun, love, money, for love no money, glass, half, car, the glass is half full, top, watch, stop, So they are the monothongs. Let's look at the next one, a diphthong. These are 2 vowel sounds in one syllable. Are you ready? Ear, hear, beer, appear, ear, a, wait, gate, hate, wait by the gate, year, cure, pure, endure the cure, oi, boy, toy, employ the toy boy, oi, oh, show, bow, low, flow, show the low bow flow, air, share, hair, care, flare, share the hair care, I spy with my little eye, cry, try, reply, ow, how, round, cow, how is the round cow? How round cow? Ow. So now we have consonants, which make up more than half of the British sounds, 24 consonant sounds. P, pay, play, please, pepper, please play with the pepper. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. See if you can say that. Fly, for, football, 4 footballs fly forever. 10 times 2, 22. Think, thanks, 3. See, that's a hard th. Think 3 thanks. Ch, 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 ch. Cheese, chair, much. There's much cheese on the chair. S, s. See, 7. Systems. Can you see 7 systems? Sh, sh. She, shoot, shop, share. She shops in shorts. K, 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 k. Car, king, kitchen. The car's king cooks in the kitchen. B, b, b. B, British, beer, bar. If you want to be British, you have to drink beer in the bar. V, v, video, have, favorite, favorite, favorite. I have my favorite video. D, 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 d. Dog, doing, had, dad. Dad had a dog. The. It's a soft th. This. Though. These. Though, these, this, the. J. Jump. June. Jealous. Jealous June jumps like a jelly bean. Zzz. We've got the B here. Zzz. Zoom. Z. Zebra. Cheese. Zzz. The zebra zooms to eat cheese. And the bee goes zzz. Zh. 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 Television. Television. Usual. Usual. Measure. Measure. You measure the usual television. G. 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 Go. Good. Great. Go. Good. Great. H. H. Hat. Hello. Happy. Hello. Happy hat. M. M. Mr. Mistake. Might. May. The Mr. may make a mistake. We don't really say the Mr. But I just used it to show how we say m. N. 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 No. Name. 9. Number 9 has no name. Ng. This is a tough one. Ng. Like singer. Singer. Ringing. Ringing. Running. Doing. Ng. 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 Sing. Ring. Eating. R. R. Really. Red. Rabbit. There was a really red rabbit. By the way, if you haven't seen my channel on my rabbit, now's the time. Really. L. 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 Like. Listen. Late. Do you like to listen late? Like, listen late? W. W. Welcome. When. Window. Wet. When will you welcome the wet window? Y. Y. Yes. Yellow. You. Yes, it's you. Yellow yacht. So there we have the 44 sounds of English. Now let's practice writing them phonetically so we can read how the sounds R. As you've seen in some of my videos, I've done the phonetic transcription, like squiggly bits underneath the word. We're going to practice a few now, and let's use animals. So with zebra, you see, we start with the little accent which shows you where you put the emphasis in the word. Zebra, so z, e, b, r, e. Z, e, b, r, e. Zebra. See how it works? Z, e, b, r, e. Zebra. Okay, that's an easy one to get us started with. E, elephant. We start with the e. Remember, you have the accent, and then you have the e sound, e, l, 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 the little strike. The next sound is the I, the I, elif, eli, eli, f, 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 elif. Then we have the schwa, the weak sound, elif, n, t, elephant, elephant. So we stress the first part, and then the weak sound, comes just before the end, elephant. Iguana. So we have 3 syllables, I-gua-n. Iguana. Easy, you see? So panther, again it looks complicated, but it's simple. We have the accent at the beginning, so we pronounce the first part of the word. We stress the first part of the word, panther, not panther. So p, a. Remember that sound is a, and then the n, and then this symbol here, remember it's th, th, a hard th, and then the schwa at the end. So panther, p-a-n-th-e. Okay, easy. We're doing well. One more. Jaguar, jaguar. Okay, this one is, or at least it looks quite difficult, doesn't it? It's another cat, but you see the first letter J, jaguar, j. And then that other symbol, the next symbol looks like an A and an E squished together, a, ja. And then the G is just a G, jag. After the G we have what looks like a J, but remember that's the Y sound, the Y. Jagu. And then the U, jagu. And then it finishes with the schwa, the jaguar. Jaguar. You see, once you recognize the symbols, this pronunciation is easy. So these are some ways we can practice recognizing the sounds of English, reading these transcriptions. And you can look it up, you can find them in most online dictionaries. Type a word in, and then just below the word, above the definition usually, is the transcription, the sounds, the phonetic or phonemic sounds. Do you recognize the phrase that we had at the beginning of the video? Have a look at it again. Here it is. Can you read it now using the phonetic transcriptions, the sounds of English to help you? Well, that's your homework. So I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Until then, check out this video to improve the structure of your sentences. Bye for now.